my lawn again. The grass doesn't grow very good. We're going to use a new mower. Automatic gas. Pull this and just go forward. I need to pull this down. This video is going to be called lawn mower. Okay. Lawn mower versus... Shut up! I'm recording for YouTube right now. Yes, I'm not going to help you guys make your fort. Hold on. Gotta find something to prop this on. No, okay, so it's going to be lawnmower versus weeds. These are really tall. I just mowed the whole freaking lawn. So this is the last part I gotta do. So, okay, there we go. Oh! We're already stuck! It's loud as heck! But deal with it! Ah! Kill the weeds! Kill the weeds! Don't wreck Mom's garden! Oh, crap! That's what's left in the weeds, YouTube! That's what's left! Ah! I killed the weeds! That's it for today, YouTube. I don't know if you could hear me screaming while I was mowing them weeds, but they're all dead. They're dead. Yeah, there's not a lot of grass in my backyard since it rained last night and I mowed. Wasn't the best choice. Hold on. Bye.